Differences between flexible spending accounts and health saving accounts. Medical expenses can be a major financial burden to Americans during their lifetime. This leads families to look for ways to better plan their medical expenses. For many years, the flexible spending account, the FSA, was the only option to save for medical expenses on a tax-free basis. In recent years, the second and arguably better solution was introduced, known as the Health Savings Account, the HSA. In many respects, FSAs and HSAs are similar. Both are contributed to on a pre-tax basis. Both are used for qualified medical expenses, which are not covered by any other health plans. And both are employee funded and allow for employer contributions. The main difference between the FSA and HSA is when the money in the account must be utilized. Under an FSA arrangement, any money not used by the end of the year is forfeited, whereas amounts in the HSA can accumulate from year to year and grow on a tax-free basis. Another important difference is eligibility. Specifically, only individuals in a high-deductible health plan, as defined by the IRS, can participate in an HSA arrangement. The other differences include ownership, rollover rules, portability, investability, and tax savings. Ownership. The employer owns the FSA and the HSA is employee-owned. Rollover rules. FSAs are subject to the use it or lose it rule. HSAs can be rolled over every year and invested or saved. Portability. FSAs are not portable. If an employee leaves their company, they forfeit the remaining assets. HSAs are portable. It is owned by the employee and can be rolled over to another HSA account. Asset investable. FSAs cannot be invested. HSAs, on the other hand, can be invested in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Tax savings. In an FSA, the money is contributed to on a pre-tax basis and can be used for qualified medical expenses. In an HSA, contributions are pre-tax. Earnings grow tax-deferred and withdrawals are tax-free if used on qualified medical expenses. There are many factors company officials must consider when trying to determine if an FSA or HSA is the best vehicle for their company's benefit plan. It would be prudent for plan officials to consult with a financial professional on these factors. To learn more about the differences between flexible spending accounts and health saving accounts, please visit fiduciaryawarenessday.com.